Hello guys, welcome back. Today I have a Sharp Aquos TV and I'll show you how to turn it on without using your remote control. Let me turn it off first. The red LED indicator under the Sharp logo means the TV is off. Next to the power cable you'll find a button. When you click it once, the TV will turn on. So when you don't have your remote, just press the button next to the cable. That's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.